Trekking to Last Upper Room 2025 by Minister Dunsin at the Trinity Tower. Climbing the step, entering inside and videoing one Achalugo from back. Videoing empty seats. In 2 minutes, people full everywhere. See me now doing my eyes winky, winky, winky. Now listen to Minister Dunsin ministering now. They do am jejeje until Minister Lilian Ineji came on stage with her energetic praise and everywhere Zuzu.